So first, if you want a sweet orange, you cannot just simply take it. First, you have to just press it, see is it squishy before you, and make sure it's like orange. The orange is more orangey and is soft. Then now let's get started. And also, very careful with a knife. It's sharp. You may hurt your finger and cut your finger. Make sure you tell a parent for help. Well, I used a knife before, so I can do it. So first thing, make sure you put your finger here and don't put here. If not, you accidentally might cut your finger. It really hurts. Alright. Make sure you cut it straight. Alright. So this is how it looks like in the inside. Shiny, right? And sweet. Oh, sweet. I'll just take it. We put the knife away so kids won't take it. And this bottle is for my little sister. So I'm going to do that later. And I got the squeezer for the orange. We just have a squeeze. Well, if I just show you a long time, it may be boring. Well, I'm just going to tell you a bit. So if you just squeeze this, thing, you cannot just do like that. If you want you need all the orange to come out. You just have to press these bumpy things. See? That's a lot coming out. See? And also be careful with a knife. So I will see you in a bit. So I'm finally done with the last one. And this is how it looks like in the inside. It's flat and beautiful. I'm going to throw away this later. Alright, now I'm going to show you how it looks on. See? It's beautiful and looks yellow, but it's orange. So I'm just going to take this lid off. Well, you do not need to throw this thing away because this is I do not know what it's called, but you can eat it. Alright, it's time to pour it in this bottle. Alright, you're going to need this thing, so just in case if you do not want it, like the thing that I showed you from the cat. Alright. You don't want to make a mess, so put this one right here. Like that. Pour it. Oh, but you don't want to pour it too much. The bottle might be too small. Shake it a bit. So it's almost done. Have a few. And you swish it around. So it looks like that one is finished. Alright. Now all I have to do is just close these out. And that's all ready. And this is how it looks like when it's done. And this is the end of the video, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye. But before you go to my next video, make sure you like this video and subscribe and share the notifications bell.